Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Barely 24 hours to the all-important election to the office of the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Enugu. One of the top contenders for the position, the former Inspector General of Police, IGP Okiro, has been restrained by the court from participating in the election. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, a state high court sitting in Enugu has issued an interim injunction stopping Ohanaeze Ndigbo from entertaining the candidacy of the former Inspector General of Police, IGP Okiro, as an aspirant for the office of the President General of the organization in an election that's going to take place January 10 in less than 24 hours. Now, this followed a motion that was filed by Chimenu Amadi for himself and on behalf of Indigenous Igbos of River State who asked the court to restrain Okiro from contesting in the President General election for the President General of Ndigbo, or Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Following that request from the court heeded their request and granted what they wanted. So the court granted an interim injunction restraining Okiro on ground of ineligibility with particular reference to his state of origin, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction. Now, Amadi of the Indigenous Igbos of River State filed a case in court to stop Okiro from contesting the race. And in what he told the court, he said that the matter is based on the fact that the presidency of Ohanaeze Ndigbo is rotated among the states that has, among Igbo states, and that it has come to the turn of River State, and that Okiro is not from River State, that he is from Imo State. Therefore, he cannot be allowed to come and take what belongs to Rivers people. That the only people that Ohanaeze should allow to participate in the election must be Indigenous Igbos of River State. Now, that is the situation. Now, and I don't know whether Okiro and his supporters can be able to vacate this interim injunction before the election on January 10 in less than 24 hours. But that's by the way. But I want people to note one thing. In this channel, we have said it that of all the people who are contesting for this Ohanaeze presidency, Barrister Okuiku was, in my own estimation, the best candidate because of what he has done for Ohanaeze, having served as Secretary General of Ohanaeze, having worked with him, Ojukwu, having been very proud of his Igbo-ness, because coming from an Ikwere extraction where so many of his people are saying that they are not Igbo, he had been very vocal in insisting that Igbos that Ikweres are Igbos. He was the one that drew our attention to what the late Oba of Benin, where some of Ikweres say they are from Benin, what the late Oba of Benin wrote in his book, where Oba of Benin said that the Ikweres are Igbos in his own book, but there are some Ikweres who say they are from Benin. Okay, but this guy has come out with his full chest to say that he's Igbo. He's very proud of his Igbo-ness. He says it everywhere. If you just Google him, you will see a lot of things he has written. He has said, interviews are granted to insist that Ikweres are just a subset of the Igbo race, that they are Igbos. So somebody like that, if you want to pick a president general from Indigenous Igbos and Rivers, there's no better person you can think of than him. Okay, but what do I know? But the information I'm getting was that he may not get it, and that Mike Okiro is likely to get it, because Mike Okiro, I'm now being told that he is from River State. He is from River State. That is not true. That he's not from River State. That throughout his career in the police, everything, people have come to give evidence that he is from River State. Okay, and all that. And I was made to understand that he is also an active member of Ohanaeze, that Okiro is also a member of the Imobi of Ohanaeze and all that. So perhaps because he is likely to be the person to beat, Mike Okiro, that was why people are saying, okay, maybe they say he should not participate, that he's not from River State. The onus is now on Okiro to go to court and prove that he's from River State. I don't know whether I can be able to do that before the election, but that shows you the nature of contest in any organization, be it in politics, be it in social-cultural organization like Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Left for me, I would prefer Barrister Okuiku, but an insider in Ohanaeze, the oldest member of Ohanaeze, card-carrying member of Ohanaeze today, told me that one of the issues they have with Okuiku was that Okuiku, when he was Secretary General of Ohanaeze, he had a fallout with the President General then, Nyanwodo, of Enugu State, when he was President General of Ohanaeze. And that matter, even though he didn't give me the details of it, in the course of that dispute between them, Okuiku took Ohanaeze to court. And Ohanaeze never liked to be taken to court and all that. That's one of the things working against him. He may still get it. Nobody can get it. We never can tell. It might even be a brand new person that we're going to see, who we never even projected in this channel, that will emerge as President General of Ohanaeze. But these are the reasons why Okuiku may not get it, because those who vote are those who are aware that Okuiku once took Ohanaeze to court. Okay, and all that. But basically, all I have, my perception of Okuiku is that he's the right guy for the job, but we never can tell. But from all indications, things are working in favor of Mike Okiro. The only thing that may stop him now is if Ohanaeze Ndigbo goes in line with what this court has said, put a restriction, restrain him from participating. And since the dates for the election cannot be shifted, because power must move from Imo State to River State, perhaps if they cannot vacate this matter, that could lead to Okiro being out of the race and make it possible for somebody like Okuiku to emerge, and then, or any other person from River State. That's my understanding of what is being played out. So what do you think about the court restraint on Mike Okiro from participating in the election? Even though Mike Okiro is insisting that he is from River State, and there are people who are saying that he is from Rivers State and that he had been attending Ohanaeze as indigenous of Rivers State. What is your position? What do you say to this unfolding event before the election that will take place in the next 24 hours, January 10 in Enugu? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.